Are you in the group? Do you mind to take a video? No, you are not in the yeah. Yes.
Okay.
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Okay, great. Would you want to introduce yourself?
Hey. Hello, my name is Ghazi Lindsay.
And I'm Sultan Akhtar. I'm Hari Tidi.
And I'm Mobawa Azim Shami.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
The mouse.
The mouse.
Okay, so introduction. The goal behind this project is to design and manufacture a 3D printed product. The product is composed of multiple attachable components. All components of the manufactured product must be printed. The resources used to complete the product is SolidWorks 2017 and the Creator Pro dual nozzle 3D printer. So these are
Reduction.
yeah. So these are the components of our product. We did the Halloween pumpkin elevator with a pusher mechanism, slides up and down. We had the fasteners, the lower and upper platform, scissor links, and the pusher. Okay. So the product, it's a Halloween pumpkin elevator. We use scissor-like mechanism to elevate the Halloween pumpkin. The pumpkin sits on the upper platform as shown in the figure. We use pin and sockets as fasteners to attach the scissor links. Sliding mechanism is used to actuate the elevator, and the pusher is used to control the height. So the design phase. So we started off with the scissor links, because they are like the core or the heart of the elevator, and we started building everything else around it. We had problems with the pins and sockets. We tried to do like a thread and a screw one, but it was so small that I 3D printed like print them. So we did a tight fit mechanism, like we just flipped the pins and sockets. We hadn't had problems with the scissor links in the dual nozzle printers. And the pusher, like we use sliders to actuate the mechanism of scissor links. And we outsourced the pumpkin from a online website. So these are the dimensionings we use. We took a, I think, 8 centimeter, like small portion, not to waste material. And that's it.
Production phase. Yeah, the first attempt we used the dual nozzle one, but halfway through the printer, like started making like weird prints. So it failed. Then we used the single nozzle one. It failed as well. Like it wasn't printing where it should. And then we used again like the dual nozzle, but we changed it to the red ABS. And then it was like a perfect print for it. Fasteners. We used 12 fasteners and 14 sockets for it. Attempt one, the pins did not fit in the sockets. First we used the bolt-like mechanism, but it was so small that it couldn't work. There was some extra spacing. It wouldn't fit inside, or like we had to push really hard, but it still was like really wobbly. And the next attempt we used the single nozzle printer, and tolerance of like 0.05 millimeter was added. And then it was like, it was fit, but it's still wobbly, but it still works. Pushers and the sliders, first attempt, they were actually the first ones which were like, we printed them and they were like the success. And the pumpkin, we outsourced it, but as you can see it's hollow, so it was filled with the residual material inside. So we had to clean it up. Assembly, this is the assembly, like this is the pusher, these are the scissor-like structures, and this is like the whole body moving up and down. The conclusion is like the designing phase is the most critical phase. You need to design your product really good. You should know about the tolerances, so it's not wobbly, it's like, it's a proper structure. And the material reliability, we used different material, it wasn't good. And you should know the printer's capability as well. The single nozzle printer, yeah, the single nozzle printers are better, but they weren't available, so we used the dual nozzle ones. Yeah, one more thing. Our first print, we designed and we printed all the parts together. But we recommend like you just print one part, check if it's good, and then you do the mass production part of all the parts. And the last conclusion is that 3D printing takes a lot of time. And you cannot pause like, all right, let's pause and then do it again. So everything should be like perfect design and everything before you get like final prints.
Any questions?
Oh, okay. So you print this one separately and then assemble them together, right?
Yes.
Do you have questions? Okay, thank you. Cool. You like it?